Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to manage your saved payment information in the Firefox Beta browser on mobile. Many people prefer to have control over their autofill settings. First, open the Firefox Beta browser on your mobile device. Once the browser is open, tap on the three-dot menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Autofill, which will open all options related to forms and payment methods. Then you will see the Save and Fill Payment Methods option. Simply toggle the switch to turn it off. This will stop Firefox Beta from automatically saving or filling in your payment information on websites. From now on, the browser will no longer store or suggest payment details. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.